not here right now, so I don't think y'all mind too much if I play with this cat toy. Of course, I'm gonna beat her around like that, but it is hooked up to that whole thing there, so this thing can pull back, has some give to it, and I can try and shoot it into the hole there, because that's what life is. You're just trying to shoot it into the hole. That's what the foundation of life is, you know? You're just trying to get that wiggly waggly thing in the hole, like so. It's like that cup game, you know, the string with the ball attached to the cup. Oh no, I missed, but that's okay because it's a string attached to the cup. And if you miss the hole, that's okay because the ball is on a string attached to the cup. Get in there. Oh, that almost had it. There we go. There we go. Get in there.